February 2010. This blizzard, it just never ends. This is the front of our house. Out the window, because I'm definitely not walking outside. And I'm going to point it up. See the snow overhang on our roof. We tried to get it down, but it's frozen solid. It's going to kill someone. Hopefully, not me. Here comes a brave soul. I mean, you can't see anything in this. It's that church right there, clear as day. Right there. Look at these cars. This car here was completely uncovered yesterday. Went to work yesterday. That car was never uncovered. And it's just getting buried more. Oh, you know what? No, that car was uncovered. Unbelievable. I don't know how much more of this I can take.